Morning, just over in Darley near Pateley Bridge where we're doing a pointing job, and you can see behind me there Gary. He's been here this morning and he's just finishing off the grinding. So there's a full gable that they've ground out, and then what they're going to do is going to repoint that with a lime mixture which will add to the breathability. So the front of the house where we're working, customer says that gets all the weather, all the strong winds coming through and gets very wet. So we're going to make sure that's got this lime mixture that'll help it. If it does get wet, which it will, it'll dry better with the lime, because that'll allow moisture to track out. Whereas if you do a cement mix, that can actually trap moisture in. So Gary's down there doing his grinding. I'll spin you around. So they're just working off the scaffold there. So they got all that done yesterday, and then he's just finishing off the last little bits. We're also doing some Helifix work here. So there were areas of the wall actually where he's working, and then below here it's cracked right through. So we're seeing cracks on the outside and on the inside. So there's a bit of work to do there, and we're reinforcing that with some Helibar. So that's us. We've got about a week here, and then I've just spoke to the customer and he's actually wanting some work doing inside as well. So the room that we're working in, there's further work to do in there. So we would have just done the work and patched it up. We actually want that full room plastering now and some insulation board on, because he's having issues with the weather, which is making that room cold because of the way that wall has got a very thin cavity. So when the cold air is hitting it, it's basically tracking through into the room. So he wants insulated plasterboard putting on the inside wall, and then that all needs skimming, sealing as well. They've had a bit of a leak, so there's a ceiling repair to do as well, and we're also going to get some down spotlights in. So quite a few bits to go in there, but it's work we can come back and do later. We can't add it onto this due to timing and so on. So that's us. I'm in Darley, and then I'm going to head over to Skipton now to check on another job which is just about to get started, hopefully next week.